Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in for a new video. Happy Sunday. Today I am going to be repurposing a canvas. I'm going to be doing a 16 by 40. I just love doing these. It's a flip cup and then drag. So then the paint kind of spreads out all over the canvas and then you can tilt it around and make the composition that you want. So, and I'm using some really cool blues and greens. So it's going to create that underwater algae type of feel. So, and I'm using a really bright green, you'll see. So let's get down the canvas and get started. Be right back. All right guys, so this is a 16 by 40 deep edge gallery wrap canvas. This was one of those canvases that I did an experiment on using Artist Loft soft body white versus Amsterdam white. This was the Amsterdam white. It created less white sails, but it was just too much of it still. So I'm gonna paint over it. I'm gonna be doing flip and drags. Flip cups and drags. So these are my colors today. I've got my Phthalo green from Amsterdam, Cerulean blue from Artist Loft, Reflex green from Amsterdam, and this is only American Floetrol and paint. There's no water in these. This is my Soho Gold, my Amsterdam in Greenish blue, and this is a sky blue with a little bit of white mixed in for creative inspirations. So I'm gonna need about 23 ounces of paint, so I'm gonna do 3 8-ounce cups. We're gonna flip them and drag them and then tilt it all out. All right, so let's get to layer in the cups. Okay, so let's layer in some green. Go with the sky blue here. Got my Reflex green. So instead of doing dirty cup pours, I'm layering these. This is probably going to give me a little less cells, which is kind of what I'm going for. That layer in. Let's do just a little bit more of the colors. I don't need to do all of the colors. I do want to do put a little bit of gold here. Okay. So my first one, these are going to be real messy. So let's put a little bit of green here because I didn't get to put green in this last cup. So I put a tile right on the top here, and then I'm gonna flip it over, and then I can slide it off. Makes the least amount of mess. There we go. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pop the top so the paint comes out a little bit easier. So I'm gonna torch. And then lift, pop this out, and that suction is just gonna come on down. Just releasing all that paint. To the end. All right. Let's do the same thing over here. Release. And just guide this down, lifting just a little bit so the paint comes out slowly. That out and just start to move it on down. There we go. So now I'm just going to scrape what's left out of here. Just pouring a little bit what's left out of that blue there so that this paint can flow. How about that? Just give it a few little bit of lines here. Give it a little torch. Okay, so what I'm going to do first is just meld the pores together. So I'm going to pour them, tilt them this way, tilt it back. I think I'm going to go this way first. So let's just Okay, I'm gonna leave it right here. I love this. This Reflex Green really stands out, especially with the Phthalo green and the bluish green, or greenish blue from Amsterdam. Really cool. The gold highlights through here, nice. Got my streaks that I added, nice. Celled up, you could really see the Reflex Green and the gold reacting. Really nice. Got some great cool cells down that way. Let me torch and I'll bring you guys down. Okay, here we are with the wet result. Check it out. Love the color combination. Reflex Green is not everybody's favorite color, but I like bright and vibrant colors, so I went with it. Okay, we'll see this one is dry. Okay guys, that is it. So it's still a little wet, but I'm gonna hold it up real quick here. It's a little wet in the center, but it's drying really great. I love that Reflex Green and the gold together. I definitely think it could be hung on the horizontal, but we'll let it dry before I keep playing with it because I don't wanna mess it up. All right, everyone, have a great rest of the weekend. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.